welcome to my channel. So today's video, this is the dress that I'm wearing because I have to do a costume video today. And I have an announcement that my Instagram account is good now. So you can already follow my Instagram account. Here it is. It was hacked for a few months. So if you want a custom video, just directly message me to my Gmail account. Then it's surely you are contacted directly to me. So be careful with my you can also message now because all is good. You can message to my Instagram, but for custom video, I always entertain customer to my Gmail account. So message me to my Gmail account if you want a custom video. And you can also follow my Instagram. Finally, it's back. So I hope you don't pay anything there. So if you are new to the custom video, you also have to ask for a confirmation about me, like for example my feet, and you have to trace it. I think you can track the day of the picture, like the date of the picture. So you really have to make sure, or else you have to ask me to write anything about your name. I think that's good. So ask me to write your name in the paper, and I will send it back to you before you make a confirmation or before you do a payment. So even it's not for me, so if ever you're planning to get a custom video to other vlogger or channel, make sure to ask first a confirmation, especially when you are new. So to make sure that you will not get scammed, because there's a lot of scam this time. So that's just my advice. So always ask for confirmation, write your name in the paper, and send it back to you. I think that's a good one to confirm that this person is legit. And also, you can ask them also about the link of the channel or whatever. Just ask some information before you start the payment and the name. So, well, I'm just informing you that you can follow now my Instagram account. And I have this one. This is flip-flops. So I'm gonna unbox it quickly and let's try it on. So I think I have to announce that all the time in my video vlog, so that you are aware, because there's a lot of scam this time. So this is the flip-flops now that I'm going to wear for a custom video. This is not a sponsored video, but there it is. I'm gonna try it on. So I have my black nail polish this time. Well, that's all for now, and I see you again next video. Bye everyone.